Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use the Gannon Access mobile app. First, you'll need to go to the App Store and type Gannon Access Mobile. Check to make sure you have the right app and download it. This is the home page, and it will be personalized to your information and coverages. We are going to start with Vehicles at the bottom right. This will show you all of your insured vehicles. Tap on one and three icons appear. Let's choose Edit. Here you can see all the information regarding your vehicle, and if changes are required, you can edit and submit them to us here. Please note that any change requests will not be processed until an agent reviews them. With the next vehicle, let's choose View. Three more icons appear. Let's select Overview. This gives you a rundown of the information listed about the selected vehicle. Now let's select Policies. From here you can select specific policies. Once you have selected one, you will see Overview and Coverages. Let's select Overview. Here you will see details about the selected policy. If we go back and pick Coverages, we can see details about the specific coverages within the selected policy. Now go back to the three icons and pick Lien, Lease. We can see if our selected vehicle has a lien or lease on it and who the lien or lease holder is on the policy. Let's go back to the home page and hit Auto Claim on the bottom second to right. This will give you an auto-generated agent and will guide you through the process of filing a claim.
Hi, let's get your auto claim started. You can take or submit pictures at any time by selecting the camera icon. Can you tell me a bit about what happened?
For example, I'll file a claim from an auto accident. The system will prompt us to select the vehicle involved and information regarding the accident.
Which vehicle was involved? Or respond, none. Was the 2022 Ford Fusion SE involved in the accident? What was the vehicle year? What is the vehicle make?
We could keep going, but let's see how you upload a photo with the Claim tool. On the top of the keyboard, press the camera button on the right. Hit Gallery, select image of accident and press Add. Returning to the home page, let's view the arrow on the bottom. Selecting this will pull up a menu. Let's select Drivers. Each individual under your auto policies will be listed here. Select one and three icons will appear. Let's press View and Driver Information. Here you can view details pertaining to the selected driver and edit anything you need to. Note, any change requests will not be processed until an agent reviews them. Now license information. Here you can view details pertaining to the license of the selected driver and edit anything you need to. Note, any change requests will not be processed until an agent reviews them. Now vehicle information. Here you can change the vehicle assigned to the driver and the percentage they use the vehicle. You can make changes here as needed. Note, any change requests will not be processed until an agent reviews them. Now let's go back to the arrow and select Documents. This is where agents can upload documents for you to view and access. Now we will go back to the arrow and select ePay. This is where you can pay your premium if your account is agency billed. Note, this option is only available for agency billed policies. All other policies will need to be paid through the carrier or through contacting an agent. Now go back to the arrow and select Website. This will open our website on your phone's web browser. Let's go back to the arrow and select Contact Your Agent. This will display contact information for your agents. Under that tab is the Home button, which takes you to the first screen that pops up when you first open the app. And below are the settings. If you need to delete your account, this is where you will go. Let's go back to the home page. Let's select Auto IDs to the left of the arrow. Here you can access your auto IDs for any of your auto policies. Let's go back to the home page and select Policies. This will show you all of your insurance policies. Selecting Overview will give you information about the selected policies. Selecting Coverages will show you the specific coverages included in the selected policy. To log out, you go back and click the arrow and select Log Out. And that's how you use the Gannon Access app. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please call 844-GANNON to speak with an agent.